came out. And there goes a purr. Sounds like river. Oh, and there's the guy. Over here. Over here. It. They don't bring him out on a stretcher, do they?
Well, the ambulance will.
No. Are we waiting for ambulance?
Not necessarily. I'm not seeing it. I wish we had a siren like that on our truck.
I'm recording. Should we wait for the ambulance?
Hello! I know the dad!
And this is what, South Ocean Boulevard? I guess we'll take a little shot of the scenery while we're here. And that's our hotel, the captain's quarters. Bye.